Rebtel free unlimited international calls. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Play Store and then search for Rebtel application. This is the application you would be looking for. So you just have to install. The app is completely free and is available in both Play Store and App Store. After you have installed the application, simply tap on Get Started, then log in using your phone number, and now you can easily use your app. And you will be able to get free unlimited international calls from this application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.